Hello guys and welcome back to the Crypto Mood. Today we are the 21st of February 2022 guys. What's going on today? Why don't you see any chart in the background guys? We are going not to analyze Bitcoin, we are going not to analyze any altcoins, we are going to chill. Alright, because at some point it can be absolutely nerve-wracking to look at your chart and look at every move every single day like this. It can be super unhealthy, and I feel like some of you guys on the Telegram account have been sharing that also. At this point we are all bulls somehow, and we get hurted when the market comes down like this, and we just get from hope to depression, from depression to hope, from hope to depression, and it's a roller coaster. And when it lasts like 3 months like we just had, plus a big historical things going on the geopolitics, it can be absolutely destroying your mood, the crypto mood, your crypto mood, and that's not what we want. We want to preserve ourselves from this kind of behavior, because it can also turn into some kind of addiction at some point. And you have to be aware of that, and many people just don't talk about it. So I'm gonna give you some of my tricks not to get not to get burned out by your activities. If you're trading, if you're swing trading, if you are day trading, if you are investing, and if you are into Bitcoin at all. So my first trick is not to open the chart first thing in the morning. When I see that I've reached my limits, I just force myself not to open the chart during just the first thing in the morning, not to take my phone and look at the prices. That's absolutely something you should avoid. If you are doing that right now, just stop. Don't do that. My alternative method to still get in the market and know what's going on without getting the full power of the dump in my face in the morning, because that's obviously going to ruin your day when it starts, is just to look at my Twitter feed. And guys, this is my Twitter feed, and we are going to do it together. I didn't check Bitcoin price since 2 days. 2 days, no Bitcoin price, no nothing. I came on the board on the Telegram group just quickly, just to see what was going on, but that's all. I'm not looking at Bitcoin. I just took some of my positions, and I told you guys in the member area, I took some positions on some alts and Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'm just letting it run for now, because I'm also exhausted. I had my time of exhaustion also. And it can manifest in many ways. For example, you can get really nervous things like I had for a few days, I had like my ears were buzzing. I had some kind of nervous things, guys. And it's normal. If you're feeling the same right now, it's absolutely normal. But it's also a sign that you should stop paying attention to Bitcoin and cryptos for a few days. Just take a short break. It's really valuable. It's really valuable, because things are going to get better. Just maybe not now, and it can be long. So what kind of news do I see today? We are going to browse my Twitter feed together. So there's been a hack on OpenSea that was not really a hack, it was phishing, and that contributed to our weekend dump that I didn't check. I don't even know how low we went. But see guys, I'm pretty in a good mental condition. I'm not destroyed, I'm not depressed. I'm just okay. I'm not euphoric either. So we can see that there is still lots of things going on in terms of politics, and that's not good. Of course, I have passion for Tesla, so that you're gonna see some of this stuff in my feed. And yeah, see, for example, the older I get, the more depressed I become. Just for a few tweets from in my feed, I already see depressed people. It's normal, guys. We are living into a historical, very bothering period with all the lockdowns. We've been 2 years into the lockdowns, and now like we have some kind of war happening. We have lots of these conspiracy theories are proved to be right. regarding what we know, but I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm already pretty sandboxed on YouTube, so I'm just gonna show you my feed and that's it. You're gonna draw your own conclusions. So we have Submit. Again, they're really playing with us. I don't know if that's part of the agenda to be really destroying people mental health, because that's what they are doing. Oh, today it's war. Tomorrow, oh no, not war. Today it's war, not war, and war again, and not war, and war again, and not war. And how do you think people are going to mentally react to that after 2 years of suffering and lockdowns? You're gonna put people in even more mental pain, and that's probably what they are trying to do. I don't know, guys. I really wonder. It's not normal to announce war one day and then to withdraw it and then to announce it again, and then every day you put people in a lot of mental tension, and it's absolutely not normal. So in my feed I have both bears and bulls, so it's interesting to see both sides. What do we see of interest here? All right, we've got 1,000 Bitcoin transferred from an unknown wallet to Coinbase. That's obviously bearish. That's not great. That's not the kind of news I want to see, but that's what's there, so I have to face it. What else? Oh, you're not gonna find Carl Moon in my tweets. If you want, even if sometime I have some memes about him. This one, for example, is a total bear. So that's the bear scenario that they see right now. And yeah, okay, I see the Bitcoin chart. See, it's much easier to discover it this way than to just face it in the morning, first thing first, when you open your phone. So yeah, that's the kind of scenario I was thinking for a moment. Now that everybody is expecting it, who knows? Last time I checked the chart, they were all seemed to bottom for me, but all right. What else? We've got Michael that went off for 2 weeks because he had a nervous breakdown. Okay. We've got our clown world today. It's very interesting. Brian is a single mom from Chilliwack working on an email. She gave $50 to the convoy when it was 100% legal. She hadn't participated in any other way. Her bank account is now frozen. That's how we see how the world looks like today. Okay, this guy is a full bull. He has been buying a lot. He has one of the biggest, 200k account. Mine, in comparison, is a mini dwarf unknown account. Even my YouTube channel is pretty unknown. But well, who cares? I'm just liking the interaction I get. With you guys. So, of course, you can share it with your friends and whoever you want. We've got some more Canadian news. Canada is the new Australia, obviously. All right, so they are going to meet to say what? That they are doing nothing. So if the result of this meeting turns out that they start thinking of withdrawing troops and stuff, there you go. We've got our bounce. It can happen today, guys. Of course, I've got a lot of video games in my feed because of that. That's funny. This account is pretty funny. Let's short this fucking Ponzi to the ground. For Cardano. Okay. Yeah, I don't think so. That would be too much of a bearish scenario. I don't think so. This kind of scenario is a wet dream of bears, but I don't think it's never gonna happen. Based on analytics, it's not just my thoughts, but lots of this Cardano thing. Blockworks, interesting account. Just give you some of the main news. For cryptos, South Korea largest bank, KB Bank, to launch the country's first crypto investment fund. So that's bullish, interesting, but not crazy. Trump is launching soon a social media app. That's a good thing. I don't know. I don't like Trump, but I think we need more social networks. It's not normal that there are only like 2 or 3. They can just put the narrative they want and brainwash people with that. Interesting account. This one has it's only 100, but it's quite interesting. So the funding rate is actually in a downtrend, which is positive for the bull case. So see, I'm just going very soft and sweet with my discovery of what's going on. I'm just not going full chart. If there is a big dump or anything really brutal, I'm not just getting it in my face right in the first hours of the morning, which is obviously going to make you feel depressed. You're not going to be social. You're going to avoid people. You're not going to have a good mood during your day, and that's what you don't want. If you're into that, then it's really time to take a break, honestly, because it's nearly close to what an addicted person can feel when you not get your euphoria, and that's not good. Of course, I have some Joe Rogan infos, and let's browse the rest a little bit quicker. Guys, if you like this video, please leave a comment down there. It's a different type of video. We know the market is not doing so great right now. There is no point in staring at our charts together. We just get the whole market sentiment this way, guys. So if you like it, I can do that again tomorrow, and we'll be chilling together for a while until things recover. I don't think we are in a full bear market. We are in some kind of bear market, obviously, but at this point, I think there's gonna be some surprises. There is no way it becomes that predictable even on the downside. It hasn't been predictable on the upside, and it's obviously for me not going to be predictable on the downside, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Hope you like this analysis, this non-analysis, and yeah, bye bye. Have a fantastic day. Smile and don't take it the wrong way. This market is not going to crush you. If you know how to deal with it, that's how you survive. Bye bye.